Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to show icons in your desktop here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together in your keyboard, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now, once you are here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there a list of options. And since we're dealing or we're talking about the showing of icons in the desktop, then by that, you need to proceed with system. So under the system tab, you can see there themes. Okay. If you haven't seen any, proceed with the personalization, and by that you can see there the themes. Okay, so I can see it here. So all you need to do is you need to tap on it, and from here you need to scroll down, and there you can see related settings. So you would be able to see two related settings, and that are desktop icon settings and contrast themes. So we need to proceed with desktop icon settings. Click this forward arrow aligning to it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to bring up a small window which is called desktop icon settings. So once you have bring this up, you can now close the settings so that you can focus on this one. So here you can always, you can see those desktop icons, and you can see their computer, user files, network, recycle bin, and control panel. So if you would like to show these icons at the desktop, all you need to do is you need to mark this box check. Once you do that, click on apply and then OK. And definitely it will be added here instantly at the desktop the moment you have do the process. Okay. So we now have seen the how to fix guides, which is my user, the network, which is the disk PC, the recycle bin. The network is the network, and the disk PC is the computer PC, which is the computer. So here's the control panel. So this is very good, especially for easy access. You can easily access your user. You can easily access your network. You can also easily access recycle bin where you can restore or where you can permanently delete the specific files or data that you have placed here at the recycle bin. And you can also navigate to your control panel. Well, you can adjust your computer settings, and you can also navigate to your disk PC where you can manage your computer. Okay, so that's it. Congratulations on your newly added icons in your desktop. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.